Good morning, K3. It's Wednesday today, and this is our reading, phonics, and letters and sounds class. And I'm so happy because we have a super fun project today in our letters and sounds book. Okay, so let's get to it. It says letters and sounds, pages, just 58, page 58. So let's get our letters and sounds K5 book out. And let's open up to page 58. Okay. Here's page 58. And look, it says, read the word, draw a picture, and color it. So let's read the words. Mug. Mug. A mug of hot chocolate would be nice. Oh, you can draw a mug. Cap. Cap. Let's put on our cap. Next one. Socks. Socks. 1, 2 socks. Bell. Bell. Ding, 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 ding. Pig. Pig. And last but not least, bus. Bus. The people on the bus go up and down, up and down. Okay. Are you ready to do it? So read the word again, draw the picture, and color it. Super fun. And that is our reading, phonics, and letters and sounds class for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.